In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an accounts receivable report in QuickBooks Online. This will help you keep track of which customers owe you money and ensure your cash flow remains healthy. So let's get started by opening your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the left panel. This panel is your gateway to many of QuickBooks' useful features. Look for the Reports tab. It's your go-to section whenever you want to pull a financial report or peek into the financial health of your business. Once you've clicked on Reports, you'll want to navigate to the Standard Reports tab. This is where QuickBooks houses a variety of pre-built reports that can provide insights into different facets of your business. Now, from this page, you'll be able to search for the specific report you need by using the search bar. Type in Accounts Receivable and let the system do its thing. QuickBooks will present you with a couple of options. These options are essentially different styles of accounts receivable reports. You can choose between the aging summary and the aging detail. Both reports are incredibly useful, but serve slightly different purposes depending on what you need. The aging summary gives you a high-level view, showing outstanding balances categorized by the length of time they've been due. It's a fantastic tool for getting a snapshot of your receivables and identifying any potential issues with slow-paying customers. The aging detail, on the other hand, drills down into specifics, listing individual invoices for each customer. This way, you can see exactly what payment is overdue and by how long. Now, go ahead and click on either of these reports based on your requirement. As soon as you make your selection, QuickBooks gets to work and generates the report. Once your report is ready, you'll notice that there's room to either tweak or tailor the data to better suit your needs. You'll find options to customize your report by adjusting the report period and included columns. This can be done using the toolbar that appears on the screen above your report. It's a handy feature allowing you to focus on specific timeframes or elements that are most relevant to your current analysis. And there you have it. You've successfully created an accounts receivable report in QuickBooks Online, which will now help you monitor outstanding payments and streamline your business's financial processes. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. See you next time.